What can you do about poorly performing pension? Most people have grafted for years and they've trusted the system that when they put the money in, they're going to get a good return in their retirement. What they're unaware of is they've been put into a default fund. Let me show you the first thing you need to do to sort it out. We've created a free pension calculator, amongst other free pension tools at campaignforamillion.com/tools. That's campaignforamillion.com/tools. The first thing you need to do is to work out exactly what you're going to be left with. And I'll tell you a little secret. You see this number here, the annual return? That's the easiest way of improving your eventual pension returns. You can't change your current age. You probably only want to move your retirement age down after all. You can't really change your current savings too much without causing yourself a lot of pain, or your monthly contributions without depreciating your existing lifestyle and again causing yourself a lot of pain. The easiest thing to do, and this is where we come in to try and educate people on how to do this, is to improve your annual returns. And when you play around with this calculator, you will be shocked at just even what a 1% move on that does over time to your returns and how much you might be left with. And if I move it up percentage by percentage, you will see some phenomenal changes. You might say, well, that's easy for you to say. Yeah, if your IFA isn't calling you and explaining this to you and giving you the options, that's not pension management. That's pension neglect. Like and follow for more. Have a look at the links in the bio. I look forward to hearing from you.